a great choice today with the 2020 Volkswagen Golf. Golf, it's the original fun-to-drive hatchback. Drive one today. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: backup camera, keyless entry, power passenger seat, steering wheel audio controls, traction control, stability control, anti-lock braking system, Bluetooth, adjustable steering wheel, power steering, four-wheel disc brakes, cruise control, aluminum wheels, floor mats, keyless start, AM/FM stereo radio, front-wheel drive, rear defrost, bucket seats. A vehicle like this doesn't come along every day. Come in and get it before someone else does.